enjoyed music from the world's #1 pop diva, Whitney Houston. Well, she's back, and she's using her golden voice to bring us some great American classics with her double CD set, Whitney Screws Up the Classics.
What the worms feel now is rough, Persian rough.
Listen as Whitney screws up your favorite classics over and over again.
Who told you to stop the music? Who told you to stop? Bitch, who told you to stop?
AJ, you tell him Bobby's college fund is not for bail. I'm not playing.
Smoking on a dock of the bay. Watching my tide but roll away. Ooh, I'm just smoking on the dock of the bay. Getting high.
You would think she would quit. Oh, but no, not Whitney. She's high, and we've recorded her on her double CD collection. Listen as she screws up one song after another.
I didn't have no baby. I didn't even get off this touring crap. Y'all are messed up. Y'all,
I said fix it. Come on, let's go. That's right. Come on, y'all. That's good. I'm ready. Who's messing with me?
something over that rainbow. Oh, Lord. Where little bluebirds, they go flying high.
Why?
Because I will always love you. 'Cause the fish don't fry in the kitchen.
Even her pimp, I mean husband, her husband, gets into the act.
Silly boy.
Like sweet mountain dew, jabba dabba
Go
do.
on.
Like plain sea, you like the Limburger cheese.
I dedicate my life. I love apple pie. It was destiny to play with my feet.
Wait, baby, I don't feel good. Nigga need hit.
Bobby, you ain't had a hit in 10 years.
Well, I'm about to have one right now. Girl, move out the
No,
way.
we in the
Don't
middle
you
of
ever touch
something.
my body.
No.
Girl, what's wrong
Don't
with
touch
you?
Order now to get your copy of Whitney Houston Screws Up the Classics.
Let's do this again. Come on, y'all.
All proceeds will go to the Bobby Brown Baby Mama
Gotta go
Fund.
back to Jersey. Y'all messing with my time. I got a baby to take care of.